1963 Rambler Classic 770 is what I'm working on. Problem is, lower control arm, you can't find the bushings anywhere. You can find some new old stock that are really expensive, but it's really hard to find the bushings. So let me show you how to rebuild the lower control arm and what parts you can get to make it work. So here's that lower control arm all cleaned up, ready to go. Fortunately, this lower ball joint was good. It's nice and tight. There's no problems with it, but I couldn't find the bushing. So I pushed out the old rubber bushing, keeping the sleeve because I'm going to reuse this. And I found out that I can 3D print with some polyurethane, some TPU 95A, and my own bushings. So I'll make this available on my eBay and Etsy store if you need it too, or you can make your own. What I found out when I was making these bushings is that one side for about ½ an inch is smaller than the other side. So I had to make two pieces. One's a little shorter than the other. This is the tighter side, the wider side. And they fit right in, nice and tight and snug. I'll grease them before I put them in, but just as an example, showing you how it fits. And then I'm going to use my original sleeve, and that will go in. I'm not able to get it in with just my hand. I'll have to grease this up. I'm going to use some Prothane grease it up, slide it in. Now here, for the dust cover for the boot, I found this Prothane dust covers, number 19, 17, 15. They make red and black, so BL's for black. And here it is. I measured everything out so it fits nice and tight. Here we go, nice and tight around the base, super snug on the top. After I press this in, we'll have a freshly rebuilt lower arm. So there you go. There's some part numbers, some information. See the links below for the links to purchase those bushings if you'd like them. Okay, let's see if these 3D printed lower control arm bushings work. I'm going to put some lubrication on the outside. Help it to slide in. Also stop it from squeaking. Okay, well, there you go. A little persuasion to get that thing in. Now we have a nice 3D printed polyurethane lower control arm bushing. Beautiful. And I'll bolt this back together, grease this. Now I'll start working on the top. Have a nice day. Thanks for liking and subscribing.